Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear student, in the last class we have discussed about the concept speed. Remember what is meant by speed? Speed is the distance traveled by an object in unit time. In unit time, speed equals to distance divided by time, and it's SI unit meter per second. And in the case of uniform motion, speed is constant. In the last class we are already discussed. In the case of uniform motion, what is meant by uniform motion? If an object travels equal distances in equal intervals of time, then the object is said to be in uniform motion. For example, the needle of clock, it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. But in our day-to-day life, we come across the motions where objects are non-uniform motion, are in non-uniform motion. What is meant by non-uniform motion? If an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, that type of motion is called non-uniform motion. In the case of uniform motion, speed is constant. Speed is constant. But in the case of non-uniform motion, here speed is not constant. Speed need not be constant. So, in that case, we calculate average speed. Average speed. Now, here average speed, its formula, average speed equals to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Total time. Average speed formula, total distance travelled divided by total time taken. It is the formula for average speed. How to calculate the average speed? Total speed equals to total distance divided by total time. Okay. Now, some problems related to this speed concept. In that first problem, here is a problem. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. First, an object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and next 2 seconds it travels again 16 meter. What is the average speed of the object? First, read this problem. Whether it is uniform motion? No. Why? First, object covers 16 meter distance in 4 seconds. 4 seconds. And then it covers again 16 meter distance in 2 seconds. See here 4 seconds, here 2 seconds. Okay, it is not a uniform motion. It is non-uniform motion. It is non-uniform motion. So here calculate average speed. Average speed formula. Average speed equals to total distance divided by total time. First here calculate the total distance travelled. Total distance equals to total distance equals to first object covers 16 meter distance, 16 plus, then it covers 16 meter distance, 16 plus 16 equals to 32 meter. So total distance equals to 32 meter. Then total time taken equals to first 4 seconds plus here again 2 seconds, 4 plus 2, 6 seconds. So average velocity, not velocity, it is speed. Average speed equals to how much? Average speed formula, average speed equals to total distance total distance divided by total time. Write that formula. Equals to total distance equals to 32 divided by total time 6. 32 divided by 6 value 6 ones are 6 5s are 30. 2 remains here. 2 0 at 0 20. 6 20 divided by 6 6 3s are 18. 18. Again 2 remains. Again 6 3s are 18. So 5.333. It continues. So this much of meter per second. Why here meter per second? Speed, it's SI unit meter per second. So what is the average speed? Average speed equals to 5.33 meter per second. Okay. Then second problem. A bus covers a distance of 30 kilometer in 1 hour. And in the next 1 hour, it covers a distance of 50 kilometer. Calculate the average speed. Here a bus, it covers a distance of 30 kilometer in 1 hour. In the next 1 hour, okay. That means in the second hour. In the second hour, it covers 50 kilometer distance. So calculate the average speed. First, calculate total distance and total time. Total distance traveled equals to distance. First, that bus covers a distance of 30 kilometer. 30 plus next in the next hour it covers 50 kilometer distance. 30 plus 50 80 kilometer. Total distance equals to 80 kilometer. Then total time equals to, in the first 1 hour it travels 30 kilometer. 1 plus in the next 1 hour 1 plus 1 equals to 2 hour. Total time. Next, average speed formula. Average speed equals to total distance divided by total time. Total time equals to total distance 80 divided by total time 2. 80 divided by 2 equals to 40. To average speed equals to 40. What is the SI unit here? Is it meter per second? We know that SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, but here distance traveled, it is given in kilometers. Okay, and time in hour, not in second. So here average speed equals to 40 kilometer per hour. Here average speed equals to 40 kilometer per hour. Here not meter per second because distance traveled, it is in kilometer and time is in hour. So SI unit kilometer per hour. Okay, our next concept, velocity. Velocity means speed with direction is called velocity. Speed with direction. Speed with direction. What is meant by speed? Speed is the distance travelled by an object in unit time. It is the distance travelled in unit time and it is a scalar quantity. There is no perfect direction. But in velocity, here is a given direction. So, speed with direction, it is called velocity. Which type of quantity it is? Whether it is scalar or vector? Is it scalar quantity? No. Why? here is direction. So magnitude and direction, it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means it has both magnitude and direction. So this velocity, it is a vector quantity. Or another definition for this velocity, it is the displacement of an object in unit time. Okay, another definition, velocity is the displacement of an object. It is the displacement. Velocity is the displacement of an object. Displacement of an object in unit time. In unit time. It is the displacement of an object in unit time. So velocity equals to formula, velocity equals to displacement divided by time. Displacement divided by time. It is a formula for this velocity. And what is meant by displacement? Displacement, it is the shortest distance between the initial and final position of the body. Shortest distance, and here a perfect direction, specific direction is there. Okay, divided by time. Time is a scalar quantity. Again here here displacement is a vector quantity and time it is a scalar quantity. So this velocity, it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Then which is the SI unit of this velocity? SI unit of velocity. Velocity equals to displacement divided by time. So it's SI unit, displacement SI unit meter divided by time, second. So SI unit of velocity is meter per second, or write like this, meter per second. SI unit of velocity. SI unit of velocity, meter per second. So speed with direction. Speed with direction, it is called velocity. Speed with direction. Okay. Now write some questions. First question. Distinguish between speed and velocity. Distinguish between speed and velocity. Write 2 points there. Okay. Sairam.